SUI blockchain has become one of the fastest and most popular blockchains to launch, and the Phantom wallet has finally integrated the SUI network into their wallet. So today I wanted to cover how to enable the SUI network on your Phantom wallet and how to quickly swap some Solana token for some SUI right inside your wallet. This is a quick and easy tutorial. Let's get started. So the Phantom website did put out a quick guide on how to enable SUI within your wallet. I personally don't like owning many wallets. I like to keep one wallet for various coins. So the fact that Phantom is now supporting SUI is a major breakthrough. So the first thing you want to do is open your Phantom wallet and head over to your settings here and go over to your active networks, and you'll see a SUI section here. Make sure you enable that. Now that's checked on. We'll hit back. Now if you hover over your accounts, you do see your SUI network is now enabled with your unique SUI address. And if you scroll lower, you do see that the SUI token is also visible within the Phantom wallet. So let's say you're new to SUI, you want to acquire some SUI. The easiest way to do this is to swap some Solana for some SUI directly inside the wallet using the swap feature. And I recommend using this method over other bridges such as Wormhole, Squid Router, or Orbiter Finance. All of these have pretty high gas fees. You don't want to pay a lot when it comes to swapping, so the cheapest will always be doing it directly with inside the wallet. So we'll go here, and from some Solana we'll pick SUI and enable SUI here, and we'll choose the SUI token. So how much do we want to swap? So we'll keep it pretty simple. For this example, we'll do 0.01, and because it's bridging across two networks, the gas fee here would be roughly 4 cents. So once all this looks good, let's go ahead and hit swap now. Cool, now it's been submitted, and you can view this on the blockchain. Cool, and you'll see here it does say successful and finalized. So realize this is on the Solana side. You do have to wait for the transaction to settle on the SUI side. So all in all, this bridging took roughly a minute to finalize. So if I go back to my wallet, you see that I have my new SUI deposited. Cool, now that you have your SUI, you can join the DeFi ecosystem. So over on DeFi Llama, we do see the top DeFi app on SUI is SUI Lend. So on SUI Lend, you can either lend your SUI or liquid stake. So you would click here under the lend section and you can deposit however many SUI you would like. And the APR for this SUI is 3.3% APR currently. You can also borrow some SUI or withdraw your deposits. And for liquid staking directly on SUI Lend, you do get the derivative copy of your SUI, which is SUI. With that, you can go ahead and lend or earn more points within the SUI Lend ecosystem. Now let's say you just want to directly stake with a validator on SUI. As of now, the Phantom wallet does not support direct staking. Hopefully this is a feature they will roll out in the future. If you click on the stake button, it takes you to Jirosol, but Jirosol currently only supports the Solana network. So hopefully in the future we will see some native staking directly in the Phantom wallet. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to enable the SUI network on your Phantom wallet and how to swap for some SUI token. I'm super bullish on the SUI network, and they're definitely giving Solana a lot of competition. Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel where I have tons of other crypto tutorials. So what do you think about SUI? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.